Welcome to NIDO Falls of Barangay Lumayang.
NIDO Falls is located at Barangay Lumayang, Zamboanga City, where people come here to visit this place. Because of the beautiful nature, and the water are fresh and cold. And because of that, many people come back in NIDO Falls. And also, because of the fresh water of this NIDO Falls, it reduces our stress in life. Somehow it's relaxing. The water pressure of the falls are strong, as if you were being massaged. If you are fond of falls like this, why not visit right now? You can also bring your family with you. Also because of no charges to go in here. Just enjoy and relax. What are you waiting for? Visit NIDO Falls of Barangay Lumayang.